Tired of battling the Microsoft Teams login screen? Let's conquer it together in just a minute and a half. Alright, first things first, let's launch the Microsoft Teams application on your computer. You can find it on your desktop, in your Start menu, or by searching for it. Now, locate the username field. Here's where things can get tricky. Your username is usually your work or school email address. Make sure you're typing it incorrectly. A common mistake is a simple typo. It's often in the format of your name at company.com or your name at school. Do double check that you've got all the dots and at symbols in the right places. Next up, the password field. This is case sensitive, so pay close attention to capitalization. If you're confident you're typing it correctly, but still can't log in, click on the Forgot Your Password link, usually located just below the password field. This will guide you through a password recovery process, typically involving verifying your identity via email or phone. If your organization uses Multifactor Authentication, or MFA, you'll receive a notification on your phone or other registered device after entering your password. This is an extra layer of security to protect your account. Open your Authenticator app. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app and approve the sign-in request, or enter the code displayed there into the Teams login prompt. This confirms it's really you. And that's it. With your username and password correctly entered, and MFA approved if required, you should now be successfully logged into Microsoft Teams and collaborating.